Your Excellency, on behalf of the government of the people of Fiji, you our warmest greetings. I understand that later on we will be meeting with our Prime Minister. Mr. Mulimanaka, and good afternoon and welcome to our shores. I'm very pleased and honored to be here today to officiate in this inauguration ceremony for the LAKARO project. A project made possible through an aid in kind to the tune of $5 million US from the government and people of your beloved country, the United Arab Emirates. Despite the geographical distance between our two nations, the ceremony today marks another milestone in our growing friendship. This indeed is a significant project, as it will benefit 711 rural families on the islands of LAKARO, Kandawu, and Rotuma. Your Highness, your country leads the world in renewable energy. Today's inauguration ceremony marks another of your achievements, especially in the decreased strengthening of our bilateral relations through clean and renewable energy. It signifies the growing commitment of your government to the people of Fiji and the Pacific in general. It also strengthens the partnership between our private sectors and development partners that have worked tirelessly to ensure that the project is planned in a transparent and accountable way, with the ability to move forward decisively in the implementation phase. Your Highness, Excellencies, the LAKARO project is a commitment by the Bainimarama government to continue to forge ahead with positive initiatives providing clean energy for our people. It is our hope that such initiatives as this will also go a long way in providing the much-needed awareness on the need to reduce global warming, build ways of climate change resilience, and alleviate poverty through practical means of reducing our dependency on fossil fuels. It is envisaged that LAKARO project, with its total capacity of 525 kilowatts through the solar panels, is expected to reduce the cost of electricity to consumers in the three islands by saving a total of 245,445 liters of diesel consumption per annum, resulting in savings of $471,254 US per year for the island community. The implementation of this project will help the people of these islands by giving them the opportunity for a better life by boosting economic activity initiatives, providing real avenues for poverty reduction programs, and building a more environmentally sustainable future. Your Highness, some days ago, I was informed of preliminary results on one of our project sites so far. Through its trials since Thursday last week, the Kandawu project has generated 1 megawatt per hour, achieved an 86% penetration into the current grid, resulting in 20% fossil fuel savings. This is a remarkable performance on the solar panels. Complemented with the right technological expertise and equipment, we hope to continue to achieve better results as we progress into this project. Whilst I have dwelled on the values of partnership and project performance, this project is also a prime example of the sort of capacity building and knowledge transfer that is inherent to the LAKARO project. I therefore take this opportunity to extend my sincere appreciation to the International Renewable Energy Agency, IRENA, for through its mandate has successfully brought the two kindred spirits and governments together. And similarly, through Fiji's recent ascension into the IRENA Council as the voice of our Pacific member states, we intend to continue to make headways for sustainable and renewable energy development of this nature. I would also like to thank Masdar, without whose professional support our progress would not have been this swift. Your Highness, Fiji is committed to working in the spirit of cooperation and partnership with your government. Fiji is also capable of achieving our ultimate underlying goal, harnessing the strength of solar power and the will and commitment to the people into a development success story, one that is capable of improving lives, reducing poverty, and giving Fiji a better hope for the future. Your Highness, the government and the people of Fiji are honored and humbled by your presence here today, and we thank you for availing yourself to participate in this inauguration ceremony of the Fiji LAKARO hybrid project. I take this opportunity also to wish you well on the rest of your journey and a safe trip home to your family and your people. Shukran and thank you.